Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to crochet Mikasa scarf, and for that I'm using this 4-ply maroon yarn. It's really soft and it's available on my website if you are looking forward to buy. And I'm using 5 mm crochet hook. Let's get started. I'm starting with a magic circle. It's also called magic loop, and if you don't know how to make it, there is a video for absolute beginners on my YouTube channel. You can watch and learn from it. So now I'm going to make 31 chains. Okay, so now we have 31 chains. Next step, yarn over, insert the crochet hook in second chain, pull the yarn and yarn over from 3 loops on the hook. We are making half double crochet again, and that's how I'm going to complete the first row by making half double crochets all over. Okay, so first row is done. Now to make second row, chain 1 and yarn over, insert the crochet hook in very first loop. You can see here we have loops. Yes, pull the yarn and yarn over from all 3 loops. We are making half double crochets again. That's how we will complete the second row. Okay, so now 2 rows are completed, and for the third row we have to do the same thing, half double crochets. We have to make all the rows in half double crochets, and I will come back after 120 rows. So now the basic muffler is done, and now we will make a cute little bow. For that I'm using white 4-ply yarn, and I'm going to make 50 chains. Mikasa's crochet scarf is ready. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and I have made this video for absolute beginners. See you in next video.